12 months ago, Healthwatch Norfolk looked at the challenges receiving NHS non-emergency dental care in the county. It found there were problems for people registering, getting appointments, and receiving treatment for their children. A year on, we wanted to take another look at the situation and contacted over 50 practices who were randomly selected, made up of those working across all the district council areas in Norfolk, and we discovered things haven't changed much. The key findings were: no practices contacted by Healthwatch Norfolk are taking new NHS patients of any age in Norfolk. One is offering a check-up service for children but can't take them on as patients. This is affecting people of all ages and backgrounds across the county. More practices have left the NHS dental system since our last check a year ago and are only offering private appointments. Around 42% of Healthwatch Norfolk's inquiries between January 2023 and January 2024 related to people unable to access NHS dental care that isn't an emergency. During the research, the team also found there were long waiting lists to be an NHS patient or get an NHS appointment at some practices. West Earlham Dental Practice in Norwich had 4,000 people waiting, and Dentistry for You in Marham, near Swaffham, had almost 6,000 people on its list. 6% couldn't take on 111 emergencies referred to them, and 20% had stopped seeing private patients. The findings come following the government's recent National Dental Recovery Plan, which promised improvements, including offering financial incentives to encourage dentists to work in areas where there was a lack of NHS care, and the deployment of dental vans with staff on board to rural and coastal locations. So what are the key issues? What are your experiences? And how can we make sure people get their voices heard? Healthwatch Norfolk's planning its first dental summit on Thursday, September the 19th at the Garage in Norwich. This will be a chance to understand the challenges you're facing, analyse and share your experiences so we can feed them back directly to health and care decision makers, and hear about the steps being taken to deal with what's known as Norfolk's dental desert. So how can you get involved? Well, you can share your story with us using the link here. We want to ensure those who pay for dental services for all of us are aware of the problems you face. You can fill in our survey, or you can call us on 0808 168 9669. You can also register to come along and find out more. We're inviting senior health officials, dentist representatives and you to clearly understand the issues. You can find out more about the first Healthwatch Norfolk Dental Summit here.